Yeah, there it goes now. Yeah. Got it, don't it? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah. Heat waves lifting off the pool deck stone, water line flashing gold in the sun. No brass sliding through the humid air like somebody lit a fuse somewhere. Palm shadows bending across the fence. Rhythm got the whole weekend leaning different. One clean groove and the air changed shape like a real life finally lost its grip. No reruns, no rewind. That feeling hit right on time. That train left, the one where we think too much. Right about the time that brass lit up, brass line glowing through the southern air. Weekend current running everywhere. Blue light shimmer with the volume up, like the whole weekend cracked wide open. That train left, long gone now, and nobody here is at the station now. Blue tile shimmer cutting through the haze, tenor sax curling through the heat wave. Summer wind rolling through the live wire sound. Everything loose from the shoulders down. No stiff edges and no heavy drag. Cold water running down the side of the glass. One of those weekends that rearrange your head, where real life don't get the final say. Instead, no small talk, no dead weight, just letting the whole thing accelerate. That train left, the one where we think too much. Right about the time that brass lit up, brass line glowing through the southern air. Weekend current running everywhere. Blue light shimmer with the volume up, like the whole weekend cracked wide open. That train left, long gone now, and nobody here is at the station now. Horn smoke floating through the warm night air, cool air cutting through the mist. That kind of sound that unknots your head, pulls the static out your chest. No dragging anchors, no standing still, just that rhythm climbing uphill. That train left soon as the lights burn blue.